This is what the lace looks like out of the box. I like it. Okay, I like it. Guys, I got this wig from Nadula Hair. They are one of those brands that I trust when it comes to the quality of their products, and not just the quality, the styling of their products. Okay, they make their products very easy to wear and easy to go. Okay, and this one is a 7x5 water wave wig. Okay, beginner friendly texture. This is going to be a very quick install. Okay, so let's just get into it. So this is a water wave wig. Like I said, it is 7x5 and it is in 24 inches, so it is quite long. I'm going to leave all the details about it in the description box so that you can check it out. Oh, see how my fingers are just running through. This is, just look at how my fingers are running through. No tugging, no nothing. My finger is just going through seamlessly. I'm really excited for the cap of this wig because it is a drawstring wig. Okay, you can adjust it to fit snugly on your head and the wig will not move anywhere. So this is the drawstring. So you just pull this down to adjust it, and then you bring this ball down to make it stay put. So once you bring this ball down, it doesn't move. Especially for a wig like this kind of wigs are very good for vacation and stuff. So for a wig like this that you want to just sit right on your head and not move anywhere, the drawstring is actually a very good attachment. Then this is the cap. It is a breathable cap. It comes with the extra elastic band for you to secure it to your head. It also comes with the adjustable straps. Then it also comes with combs for you to, you know, secure it to your head. And you guys, look at the lace. Okay, this is a 7x5 and it came pre-cut, pre-bleached and pre-styled. You can see that that lace is bleached so that it will just give scalp without you doing too much. They've already cut it for you, and this wig is quite full. I don't know if you guys can see it now. I mean, you might not be able to see it because I'm holding it up, but this wig is quite full. Yeah, I like this. It's such a quality wig. I have a wig like this from Nadula Hair, although it's not the drawstring, right? So this one is the new and improved, you know, version. But that other one that I have, I wear it all the time. Okay, because I love it. I didn't give that one out. I actually kept it for myself. I wear it all the time. Okay, so I'm excited to have another one, and this one is the drawstring. You guys, are you seeing that blend? I haven't done anything to the lace. This is what the lace looks like out of the box. I like it. Okay, I like it. Okay, so the way this place is shaped, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me try and come closer. But the way this part is shaped, it goes in like this, and it fits comfortably around your hairline. And also the way the wig was designed, this lace part just goes in straight so that you can blend it with your edges and it will give that illusion of frontal, or you can bring out some of the hair and do some baby hair and it will give that illusion of a proper frontal, even though this is just a closure. Okay, but you guys, let's get into this look. First of all, this is the wig just on my head without anything, and it's giving already. It's giving already. You guys, if you need this wig from Nadula Hair, just go and get it. Okay, don't waste time. It's so interesting how I haven't even pulled the drawstring or done anything to this wig, but I look like I'm ready to go out. You can actually style this wig in your car or just on the road. And this part is already styled so flat that you don't even need like hot comb or anything to style it. Okay, it's already flat enough. They've done all the work for you. I'm going to brush it out just so that you guys can see what it looks like brushed out. It's easy to brush out, you know, very easy. It's very, very easy to brush out. So this is the wig all brushed out, okay? I love this look. I mean, I'm not going out like this, but if you wanted to go out like this is actually a look. I like it. So this is it. Look at how full it is. It's actually quite full. It's actually quite full. That's a lot of hair. So that's the texture all brushed out, but I'm going to go ahead now and spray it with water and use some mousse on it, okay? But I'm not going to spray it while it is on my head because I don't want water, you know, dropping on my body, okay? So I'm going to use this spray bottle. I'm just going to spray it lightly. I don't want to drench it with water. I'm loving this wig texture with just water. This is the wig with just water. After brushing it out, I actually like this texture. It feels very soft and airy and light. I added a little bit of my contour shade here to make it blend some more, but not so much. Okay, I didn't put too much. That's why it looks really good. Now I'm just going to go ahead to kind of style the edges a bit and melt the lace some more. But this is a pretty good blend. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good blend. Can you guys see that? So these are my own edges, and these are the edges of the wig, and it just disappears once I bring it down. I don't want this to be too perfect. That's why I'm messing it up a bit. I'm not doing baby hairs, but I just don't want it to be too perfect. I used a regular mousse. This is volume and lift long-lasting mousse for the edges, but you can use a shaping mousse or a wrap me mousse, foaming mousse like Lotta Body or this one from Mazuri. You can use this kind of mousse for the coils, okay, so that the coils are not crunchy. If you use this kind of mousse for the coils will look nice, but they might be crunchy, okay? So if you don't want that crunchy feel, you want just something that feels soft and luscious but still has that hold, then you go for a shaping mousse or a wrapping mousse like Lotta Body. You can use a brush like this or a Denman brush. This is a Denman brush, yeah, to brush it out. So this is what the texture looks like while it is still wet. You can actually go out like this and leave it to air dry, but I'm going to use a diffuser to diffuse it so that I'm not going around with wet hair. Yeah, but the texture still looks really nice. If this is the look you are going for, it looks really nice. Okay, I have diffused it and the wig is like 90% dry. Okay, it's actually like almost fully dry, and I'm loving this look already. Okay. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh. You guys, look at that blend. I tried not to make it too perfect, but just look at that blend. What lace! It looks like it is growing from my head, okay? Now you can do other styles. Tell me I look like a princess. Don't I look like a princess? This is it flipped to one side. I didn't really part it. I just kind of flipped it and parted here a little bit. And this is it, a side part. Now I'm not even sure which one I prefer better. I'm not sure which one I like better. I liked the previous hairstyle very well, but I'm loving this as well. This is nice. I love this wig because of how easy it was for me to style, and the quality of this wig is unmatched, okay? You guys saw the way I was able to brush it out, brush it wet, brush it dry without any tangles. And when you wash it, okay, just wash it with some deep conditioner or a regular rinse out conditioner and just drench it with water, comb it out, and you're good to go. You don't need to do too much to the curls, okay? This is water wave, okay? It's supposed to look like effortless, flirty, wavy, beach vibes, vacation vibes. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know if you guys love this wig. If you like it, the link is in the description box, like I said. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Nadula.